Abuza for mamunya na wakaba de magana and same TV so. But homo this be like video. Be subscribe to the channel. Watch your comment section ho. Na wa share some more news on bi. More importantly, turn on the notification sign. Send a bear videos of this nature about so sabit maka video ni bi. Na di bia meka se mo na mafan se yen so mo. Enti no de ye bia no mo na ye de asomo. Mo ni gimu ne ye ene sabi. Nyina yen kwaso ne yiye yimtini yen sa if by chance e be adwuma yen so wani and na person contribute to the channel na be studio works e be person e be mine e be a wo bibia e bitima mo improve your studio na person obo ayen na you can reach out to my number down there, Mr. President. Na nyina so you highly welcome ye ne beso nyenya ho den so de adwuma na mama pa we be in the data anything at all you will appreciate it. Once again, my name is Mr. President. Na mwasa mebesum. Na sisi ya de nanado nyankopon o kasa papa. Adodi eni ba omi nyankopon. Nanado kasimbo se wode ho to nyankopon so a ade nyina di bua ni wie oye. Saso no kan kofo bi anti ase. Ba ne MPP ko position ni yenu se sa asem nanado kan no na ye nyame sempa na waka ne sa. Adodi Nyame wo kasa papa. Na nyina nim Nana Juatua. An journalist Nana Juatua. A renowned NDC journalist. Obi anim no. Sa journalist ne mrebi atwem okasa ti Nanado no. Ono a. Sa journalist nim de Nanado de aye no. Bon pen Nanado asem frititi bisi ene. Na na de NDC fo amanyoku ne twimaku ne biye no nti afidi wo kam. NDC fo no. Is NDC journalist no confusion si o montemu. Say di dijabem. Edidijabem tino isi omo se no ma bi nko yo mpeso mo mi omo konsa ne be ya Mahama mo ya nko fo ye adwuma tenti enko ne nko bo mbibi ni edidijabem ai isi ade dum so ne efense prepaid ho issues no afedi wo ka bi se bi edi no na on se ye ka asem bia ya na nko fo bibredwen sese bi empe won asem but Ghana ne yesum yensum nipa Nana Juatua ye kana sim o tunani si Nanado so sa including Dr. Baumia. Nana Juatua ono na mrebo ka ho betwa ntoto Dr. Baumia say oni oni haptel no mo ka ho bi. Na ena de yira Mahama ba power no sense prepaid issues no ebia kwati ya no interfere de wo kam. Afide wo kam o kam na ye de enfi no. Na mo esa se mo na yeso mo nti ye mama wo say ni say na ye de e koso. Prepaid issues in Nigeria is getting out of hand. A jinsemo. Over top prepaid 1 billion. Me say in the 3 days ni na besa. Hey, I'm more metan. A kumbi kasi baba. Ye ka energy minister. Untimi kasi mpape biya anchire yon. Energy minister. Untimi kasi mpape biya anchire. Eti ye ma yesusu ye miyehunu se debi. Oma shede no mamiye mitanim. Sane bi ebitumbi kana. Omanye skadiya yoma diana. Ye de pesi yati yasi. Because prepaid no to ya nasa. Light in the assassin is stable. You see, I say, who pay free corners one year careful manager told them because doomso need too much. Doomso need too much. Press all pound to prepaid. Uto prepaid new year dumu demo no menya ko mitano. Se be ready na se in ready. You are John Domani mama ni mita ne bi no. Because now buying was so. It is when you say mita ne very faulty. 1 year ni initiative be no one putting in place to correct that error. Bibi ni hosa. Me patcho se bia by chance na ECG mpanyfo bia ba ofie se meter na fault mtombe correct fault na patcho twa comment section ase ye ba behwe na ba disprove the ekano. So far as I am concerned, as a patriotic citizen of this country, me nya as high experience ni bo ba bia eti e debe na kwa na ekoso energy sector hono a ye to prepaid na asa ye light suntimi nye stable da de bia so ye chia tax me patcho ni ma uchie dum so levy d levy uchia levy was so moka say ya kronfo ne ye na mo ba na betwa levy ma to force mo sa de d levy na ba na say mo ya kronfo pro max QNet government e boni be na Ghana for de ayam yira Mahama ye so mu se kusua Ghana for jiwudi say e be ye adwuma ma no be president because mo mu nya gidie wo mu it is say na de Ghana for be for mu ana ye wo kromo na for optics reasons mo say containers be compare fly ko China containers ni cables ni wo compare wai na se mo kwana no kran na monka Mo pese Ghana phone say mo ye adwuma. Iti mo share that creative stories and be ba. Adem na Ghana phone kwase bu kwampo fu NPP for say no marketing kiti wo manye ne ye nti. And you people took advantage. Nera, you have the goodwill of the people of Ghana, and we can't take that away from you. But no matter what you are abusing the goodwill of Ghanaians, and Ghanaians are going to rebel 2028. Maybe I make us 2017 soon and soon and every refi. One I catch a Ghana for say your short memories. But trust me, this time around, you need short memories. You will pay for it. You will pay for it. Remember, Ghana for some open answers to the reason tia ye to prepaid na answer. Is I am fairly squad will become or say busumi be a prepaid and not turn MPP abreso on see the essence or toya nasa or toya nasa. You are Mahama Bonnie Ben yaye. You are the president of the state. Tidi ni say the unchia prepaid nibi. Unchia bi ya nim unchia bi. Koyani ato aba must be din so ti prepaid ne unchia bi. Nira enka for once that could get prepaid ni be hard ye na no ma ye kum. Mo say ne ya. Ski che prepaid ni kwan po ne yakasa we a services na more render and a quality kwan pack ye okay, but trust me services are ye de mam ye chia but services are more render ye no era is one of the poorest services Ghana yenya. Yera almost wa mamu ne ya articulator no udi ani ma ye hu udi akire ye hu if so udi ani ma articulator nti free e wu udi akire articulator nti free so wu hu ani me so ya accident ise ye hu ba bi ye ndi ntimi ndi wunche mu wa mamu de bia signature na wa mamu me e dum so yera bone ben na Ghana for dia yew yera bone ben na Ghana for dia yew ko so no pa ye dum so ewe edum so enwume edum so afedi adi wadi afedi na janto kra be kan wow journalist wow PR ko be kan bi you see adudi nyankopon te ase na sa wodi ho to awurade nyankopon so a ade nyina be di abo ne be wie wuye. Sometimes the best answer for your critics to be silent. Ye criticize Dr. Baumia ye twan toto no so ye kan sema ya che no o kana no tum onim nyankopon de no ho ato no so. Nene sanya kupon uchi NDC for ka one by one. Oh, NDC for arrogance of power into oman suya de. They don't even know how to manage the energy sector. Into no more breno. Na de na esintia and ade no mo de meters na ye top prepaid na meters na sa. He see am word of caution. Upie free wo dem a ese say you John Dramani Mahama me no so ntino. Upie free dem a eye no dum no ma why. Won dum na be na dum so sana no ma no eja to dan mu. This is what we signed for. And you will crack it. And then many be a bay, doom so a challenge. And as a Ghana yen ko yen kra. You are John Dramani Mahama. Ghana full soon. Ghana for high. Afraid the wow bloggers and the wow journalists will also come because almost the studio here works. I was you want to light a doom. Service are more rendered to yen a very bad, it is very poor. Mr. Momonki can more. Na we dey enfa ye we dey enye say of course to say the era Mahama Ghana for some can say your party is going to pay a price for it 2028.
Now no minia Zaron Felix
ani akwame no interview no
all complaining chose na me to say 2000 say akwa 4000 so 5000 na mu di atem today. You have forgotten that Zion Felix will following and for penasem and then they are no refuse.
That's our influence.
They think say by to say be anama aba na mwaka bibi no akodi na tem. You don't know the following. Say wa me no adi na tem. Franklin Kujo no adi na tem. You don't know the number of people omu pe because mo amudi na tem musa che omu dono. What I say? So to say the BM catch say when the MPP guys were attacking us, they underestimated the number of people and no more pay us.
They underestimated your power.
That's it. In the NDC for Musumuntie, they are not so ordained. Politician Munsia, they are near me yanni say, a cop baby and son of Bebeka now can you. Now, letting American say, I won't tear the American.
But in this situation, IMF conditionalities, what needs to be done to mitigate the situation?
Okay. If this is the logic, according to President John Dramani Mahama, he's saying that they will exit IMF in June 2026.
Okay.
So I'm saying, if you exit, would you reduce it?
Maybe reduce.
They will not.
Hey, what is it?
They will not reduce it. So that logic will not suffice.
Okay.
That logic of the what IMF muntia. Now free mu June now. Then okay, if that is the case, IMF. Muntie nature homami. If the logic is saying IMF MPP for the quiet nintino musi review now. After June, no, maybe June, July, August. Government now, through the minister, Ebudinapo, should come and tell us that after IMF, you better reduce electricity bill.
Omoya Baba Kadiasam.
Omoya, no who say it is true, say IMF in India.
Okay.
Until then, we cannot blame them.
Okay.
If they are using this one as a defense, they should then tell us after IMF, government will reduce the price of electricity.
IMF
It was a decoy.
Okay.
And I can tell you so many. But no problem. Ghanaians are wise. Ghanaians are not interested in the NDC MPP anymore. Say Ghana Nino is not interested in NDC MPP. Ghana Nino is interested in the airborne. What do I say? And now it's called toss cement ekoye mami. And yana make make up petrol once a mama meka because minya direct benefits.
Yeah.
But the ekoye near catch now say yeah. And then one of my friends, mimic electricity. I will know you to be MPP card bearing member.
Sadly, I'm Munyai.
They said they be MPP card bearing.
I also more complaining than MPP before.
They say all of a sudden
you should stop that joke.
They MPP need because Maka NDC for us. All of a sudden, no.
Stop that joke. And you'll be back in this assembly and NDC new.
All of a sudden, my MPP need.
Mama announcement. Adaroma BCE for registration fees and also a cost by a year 20%. A announcement. Anna Medema. We are when did matter. And Yamina me manufacture we. We are no amateur me did matter. Who did matter one? How did you want to maybe say announcement keke na mema. Say BCE registration, you know. They say aboso kind for the no omo tax cut 20%. BCE registration so ya tumu by 20%. Car dealers ya tumu by a year 50. Dumso Abba and Nyame made a mema report keke. It's a mema report now bufuna aka so be di matamwa. What did you want them? Wo no did matam. One did you want them?
Hey, you're President Mahama say it's a Ghana for light no ubuma ya tot catch there why? Because there be a dear betting a dear besa bia near Dumbe bia light. Say the whole Kumasi Ashanti region your Dumbe bia light. Ofre other regions and so amonsu complain sa aden. President Bako, there be a bia no Ghana for ye the doomsum. Meanwhile, Ghana for trail light black see Mr. President. Adaroma, adewe ya kwasone de enye. Akunya yi wuntimi ntina so a no asore bokọ de ma papa we. Na papa we aba betina kunya so no abu amamuo no kama. Na se obetina so na wa wuntimi mbu amamuo no. Na da bia ye da sumumi wa ye trail light black see de enye fe. Adaroma enye fe. Ghana for say light na udundum no na enye say Ashanti region hwe ahanu makwan mu ne ejina no ye dum ha light ba bia it is a wutire anye ye na cars mienu ba e de na besi Badaroma do something about it. Yes raw odi ye nim say what soro ba bia at ye num light ba Ghana fo ye tua light ba akese no yesu ye complaini kwhwe samre ade enchine nkofo a omo ye coastal omo fish ni omo akoko egu eye fridge mu nyina ase ade yes raw Mr. Mahama ye tua light be akase nti yes raw light ni de hwe na fama ye adem ye di kan ka se wo da bia beba bia wo di dum so na eba e ya ampa so na hwe
is dum so back dum so asansa ba na hey what is happening is serious so ye dum light just ade achi ansa na aba ye do so now by oh Charlie, what is happening? ECG. Oh, Dumso is back. Dumso we dear. Looks like Charlie. I showed them.
Mama, me pacho, what do lights, no? Mama, me pacho, what do lights, Miss Row, yana so mama. Aday. Again, what do lights? Yeah, quite that was sure back from for problem.
And pay. Enye enra nkwa nti se de enkrofo start a omo remind aban no se onhu se dum so aba system no mu a ene oni ECG nkasa na omo wankyeremu bi a omo fa meto yanim because ye di nkomo wa ha ama ECG for say esan se wo mu yi santase runabout to ahojo sa dualization project ninti wo mu yi omo enhoma binum afiri kwan ho but say daytime 6 to ebia enwumre 6 a minim de nti a memekwa kodu fie be no nwoche na me light edum because eno no de mo communicate ama ye time say almost start adwuma na no pa acha no nsia mo wie nti mo be so kanea no enti enra Tuesday one of those days now wo mo communicate so mo ebedum kanea no ti se mo dum from anopa akosi anwumra efiri no nwoche ko no mo da so yi lines ana ede na ekoso aside sa dualization adwuma no mo ye ne bibi wo ho na ECG enka na
because it's been consistent in the last 3 weeks. You do near so, you do near so, and sometimes for 8 hours, 6 hours. Na yanka bibia na nkofo complaining. Oh,
I know they.
Well, I buy is you see. Say one ha nye ho adwuma. Ne o ho no. Cost of living dey say we say o dey.
No. Rakwajo.
The real definition of doom shot. We need the real definition of doom shot. So now do me. Do wanna say? Rather boy you Ghana. Rather boy you Ghana. Separate, separate. Separate. Quay. Sana do wanna say? Musume baku, musume.